Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your speaker JBL Charge 6 with your PC. You have to start by press one time at the Windows button on your keyboard and then write Bluetooth. And you should see Bluetooth and other devices. So click enter or press on it. And right here you need to click add device. Then select Bluetooth, and now we should turn on the speaker, so press one time at the power button at the top. And after that, near to the power button, we have a Bluetooth button, so you need to also press one time at this Bluetooth button to enter prank mode. And now we should see it at the device list. Here we go. Press on it, and then click done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!